Yes, students, only 13 students have joined. So till we'll wait another 2 minutes till they join. We'll see the assessment what which I have given in last class. So I see why I have given that assessment is to do any testing. The boundary value is very much important, students. To write a test cases, boundary value is very much important. So we'll see how you have written. Randomly one or two sheets I'll check. I want to know what you understood. See, I gave the example also. What is boundary value in the you should know the minimum value and the minimum range and maximum range. I'll share my screen, students. See, once I share the screen, I'll not come to know how many are there. So why only 18 students are there? What about the remaining students? Yes, students, can you see the screen? Is my screen is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Bhargavi is there? Manisha? Nishant?
Yes, ma'am.
Yaru Manishana?
Ma'am, Bhargavi,
Why you
ma'am.
didn't submit the assessment?
Ma'am, I submitted.
See here. Missing.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ
ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನು?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅದ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಅದೇನೋ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ
ಏನ್
ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ
ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಏನೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ದೇವ್, ಮನೀಷಾ ಇದಳ? ಮನೀಷಾ, ನಿಶಾಂತ್, ಸುನಿಲ್, ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಸೆಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್? ಸುನಿಲ್, ಟೈಮ್ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್
ಬಿಸಿ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೌದು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೆಲಸ ಇತ್ತು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇವತ್ತು
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಎಷ್ಟು
ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೇನೆ
ನಿಮಿಷ
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳು? ನಾನ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಇದು ಏನೋ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ 5:30 ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಹಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಅಭಿನವ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್? Asta? Asta, are you there, Asta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What example you have taken? What boundary values you have written?
For the age.
Who is the author for this test case? Because 3, 4 I have seen. Everybody has written the same. Who has invented this first? ಯಾರು ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಫಸ್ಟ್? ಯಾರು ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದು? ಯಾರಿದು ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದು ಫಸ್ಟ್? Same, everybody has copied. Yes, Asta, is it your own test case? Own example of boundary value?
Yes, ma'am.
How you have written this? Bhargavi, why you are submitting now?
Ma'am? Ma'am, I sent it yesterday only, ma'am. Friday only. But it didn't submit, ma'am.
ಅದೇನು ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ವೇಟ್
Ma'am,
ಭಾರ್ಗವಿ.
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ma'am
ಯು ವೇಟ್.
ಅಲ್ಲಿಗಾಯ್ತು.
ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್. ಆಸ್ಥಾ, explain this.
Ma'am, in this example I have taken in the online registration form is the age, and
Okay.
in which the validation is for like 18 to 56. If
Okay.
someone enters 17, that would be invalid, or someone would enter like more than 56, then it is also invalid.
Okay, then here the minimum range is 18 and the maximum range is 56.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Akash? Akash?
Yes, ma'am.
What you have written? What is this? See, same.
Yes, ma'am.
Why? Why same? Why you copied? Can't you write by your own? Such a simple example it is. So can't you write the same this kind of example by your own? You tell me honestly whether you have written by your own or is it copied?
Ma'am, I wrote this. You see my handwriting? I wrote this, ma'am.
It is this is your example only. Yes, you are not copied. Ramya is there? Ramya, idiyamma? Boundary value. Please. Ramya is not there. Vishal?
Yes, ma'am.
What example you have written, Vishal? Same with little. Okay, you have written. What is this phone number?
Phone.
Okay, fine. Winnie is there? Winnie is there? Is not there. Spurti?
Yes, ma'am.
What example you have written, ma?
Ma'am, I have written the voting system.
Okay.
Yes.
Voting system. Phone number. Whatever Vishal has written, I think it is
No,
almost.
ma'am, it's me who has written. I'll be honest, it's me who has written.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, good. So, yes, students, all of you understood what is boundary value, no? How we take a minimum range and maximum range. Ravi Shankar is there? Ravi Shankar is not there, I think. Ravi Shankar? Pavitra?
Ma'am.
Is it your own example, Pavitra?
Ma'am.
What is this? Valid family members, huh? What is this? What you have written this? Please explain me.
Ma'am, for enrolling mother, father is valid, ma'am. Sister is not valid, ma'am, in that form.
Okay. Okay, fine, students. Nilanjan? Nilanjan. Okay, student, just I wanted to check that whether you all have understood or not, whether you have written the boundary values properly or not. Just okay, you have written. So those who have not submitted, so from this is the last chance. From next assessment onwards, you have to submit. We're coming back to our regular class. Yes, students, we were seeing. Can you see the PPT, students? Is the PPT is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we were seeing the types of testing. In the type of testing, robust testing we have seen, and the worst case testing we have seen. See, robust testing. In robust testing, we check within the range only. If we go above, beyond the range, then what happens? If the entry is beyond the range, then what happens? Then the execution of the program will be terminated abruptly. Correct, no? If the array value is, if the maximum array, in last class I shown you the example also. In Visual Studio I shown the example also. Program also, no, students. If the array value is 10 and if you are giving 11, then if we don't include exception handling, then what happens? Abruptly the execution of the program will be terminated. Yes, students, abruptly the execution of the program will be terminated. I don't want my program should terminate abruptly. So what I have to do? I have to include what? Include exception handling in the program. When I include exception handling, then proper error message it will display. And we have also seen the worst case. In worst case, if we are giving the range, if you are giving the boundary value above the range or below the range, then what happens? Then in that situation also we should write test cases, or we should have to validate our program. It should not terminate abruptly. And next we have a special test case. See, as the name itself implies, a special test case is not performed every time. A special test case is not performed every time. Whenever it is necessary, only that time we use this special test case. If you take a next day statement, a student, this next day problem is very much important, because everywhere if you check your book also, everywhere they have used this example only, because here clearly we have the case, the condition also clearly they have mentioned, and for understanding purpose also it is very easy. So that's why in all the cases they have taken the next day problem. So what is next day problem, students? From so many classes we are seeing this next day problem. What is next day problem? And students, for this special case testing, there is no guidelines. There is no guidelines that you have to do only like this, only like that. There is no such guideline. See, best engineer judgment. See, because what is the best engineer judgment is, because we will be as a test engineer, we are applying so many possible ways of input for all the, to check our test cases. So once we become perfect, then maybe in the beginning, for the beginners, it will be difficult how to implement the test case. Correct, no? Is it right? In the beginning, it will in some situations, whatever the test cases I am including, I may not be knowing whether that is right or wrong. Yes, correct, no? In the initial stage, we will be having such types of problem. Once we do. In Kannada, we have one proverb, Kaliyokita munche Mahavidya Kalmele Koti Vidya anta. So before we don't know about that, then we may do mistakes. So we don't understand how it works. So once we become perfect, once we get a more knowledge, then we will be able to judge our test cases. Yes, correct, no? beginning ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ whether whatever I have written that is right or wrong, but when I become perfect, then when I become perfect, then I'll become a best engineer. So best engineer will be having a capacity to judge whatever the test cases I have written. Yes, correct, no? So that time I will not be having any dependency. Beginning early, if I don't know, then I may ask my seniors or I may ask my team members whatever I have written that is right or wrong. So once I become perfect, then I will become independent. I become independent, so I will be in a position to take my own decision. So in the test case also, there is, in the special test case, there is no specific guidelines given for anything to check, and the special test case is like ad hoc. What is ad hoc, students? What is ad hoc? CN you studied? What is ad hoc? See, for ad hoc, there is no particular structure will be there. Something is there. We cannot say where exactly the existence. Wherever its role is coming, that time plays its role and it will go back. So similarly, in special value testing, whenever the test case is necessary, whenever if something we want to check, so we check, and in other situation we don't do that testing. So that is nothing but a special test case, special value testing. In the next day problem, in the month of February, we have how many days we have? Yes, students, generally in the month of February, how many days we have? 28 days. So generally in the month of February, we have 28 days. So when you write a program also to check how many days in a month of February, then what we write for this 28 days only. We take only this case. When the month of February will be having a 29 days, is when it will be having a 29 days. When the year is leap year. When the year is leap year. Is it right, students? So is this leap year is coming every time? Is this leap year is coming every time? No, it is coming occasionally. So can I say this is a special case? Can I write this is a special case? Yes, students? Yes, it is a special case because every year it is not coming. Every year it is not coming. Yes, students, you know one more thing. If any student have any problem, in writing with, yes, listen carefully. If any student have any problem in writing, maybe because of health issue or maybe because of some hand problem, if they are not writing properly, if they need more time to write, see here, see whatever the data is present in this PPT. If I ask a common student to type this data, then that student, if maximum students take 5 minutes to type this, if a common student, if a normal student, I'll take normal student, if a normal students take 5 minutes to type this, there are some cases, few students, they are not, maybe because of their health issue, they are not able to type fast, they are not able to type properly. So that student may take 20 minutes to type this. That student may take 20 minutes to type this because that this particular student is having some health issue. Yes, students, you are understanding? So if during exam time, if we because the time limit, the boundary value for exam, how many hours? Yes, students, the boundary value for exam, how many hours? Maximum hour, how many hours? 3 hours, no? Is it right? 3 hours. But for common students, if I give 3 hours, it is okay. For common students, if I give a time 3 hours, it is okay. But a student who is very good in studying, but because of some health issue, if that student is not able to write fastly, because that student is having health issue. Is it comes under special case students? Yes. Is it comes under, because this case will not be having with all the students, only 1 or 2 students. Only 1 or 2 students will be having this type of health issue. So by considering this special case, the VTU, what the VTU has done is, for such students, if we provide a proper certificate, proper health medical certificate, then that particular student will get half an hour extra time. Yes, students, are you aware of this? If any student is having, because of some health issue, if that student is not able to write, fastly because of a health issue, then if we produce a genuine health medical report to VTU, then the VTU will provide a extra 30 minutes time to that particular student. So is it a special case student? Yes. And you know that if any student met with an accident, if any hand fracture during exam time, we have one more facility that if I met with an accident and if I am not able to write my exam, then if we take permission from VTU, then VTU will allow, instead of me, the other person may write the exam, and if I tell orally, then the other person will write the exam. This is also special case. Yes, students. So like this, when whatever the application we develop in the application, so there are some special cases are also will be there. If I ask you to create a project for VTU exam, yes, students, you have to include all this case also in your application. Is it right? Yes, students, this is also special case now. If the student is not able to write, if you are not including a special cases in your project, then your project is not a complete project, because we don't know what may be the worst case. Depends on the situation. So if we include all this, you have to include all these types of situation and test cases in your application. Yes, students, understood? Respond. Matadi, artha aita? Okay. So next we have test case. Next we have some of the examples of test case. Next I have some of the examples of test case. Yes, students, is the PDF is visible? Or you want me to increase the font size? I think now it is clearly visible. Huh? See, why I have not done this in the PPT is, why I have taken directly, because here we have so many tables. So if I take, I cannot fit this whole complete table in one PPT, one slide. I have to take 2-3 slides. So that's why here I am referring this directly from the book only, the soft copy of the book. Yes. Can you see this, students? Can you see the example? Is the PDF is visible now? Yes. So here, some of the test cases for the problems. See, students, these problems in the second module, whatever the problems we have seen, basic problems we have seen, on that only we are learning the boundary value analysis. We are learning the test cases because these are all basic problem statement. And if you learn this basic problem statement, then you are able to write a test cases for all the different problem statements. Okay, the first problem statement is triangle problem. Yes. What is the primary condition of triangle problem, students? What is the primary condition? Hidi Bega. What's the primary condition?
It should be a triangle.
Yeah, it should be a triangle, and it should be a triangle means it should have 3 sides, no? It should have 3 sides, A, B, C, And one more thing, students, for A, B, and C, we can specify the minimum and maximum range. Is it right? The minimum is 1 and the maximum is 200. So just I'm taking this value. It is not necessary that you have to take only this value. Just to explain here, now I'm taking the boundary value of side A. Minimum is 1 centimeter and maximum is 200 centimeter. Is it right, students? Is it okay? The same case I am taking for all the 3 sides. Is it okay, or do you have any confusion here? Okay. So I have taken 3 sides. I have taken. So for 3 sides, see, students, the maximum range should be less than 200, not equal to. Yes, getting. The maximum range is less than 200. Less than 200, not greater than or equal to 200. So minimum value is 1 and the maximum value is 199. 199, because here I am specifying, you can take 200 also. But here I am telling it should be less than 200. The maximum value is less than 200. Less than 200 means how much? 199. If it is 199, only it is valid value. If you give 200, it is invalid value. So coming to here. So here, students, you can see the you can see the table here. Some of the conditions they have taken: A equal to 100, B equal to 100, C equal to 1. Is it isosceles? Is this isosceles triangle, students? Really, respond. Or equilateral?
Isosceles, ma'am.
Isosceles, correct? No? Yes. Equilateral means all the sides should be same. See, even the second condition is also isosceles. It is true. Third one is all the 3 sides are equal, so equilateral. Fourth one, yes, students. Fourth is 100, 100, 199. And just now I told 199 is within the range. Here in the PPT I told no, 199 is within the range. If you take 200, then it is out of bound. If you take 200, it is out of bound. So fourth case, you observe the fourth case, 100, 100, 199. So here these 2 sides are equal. So it is isosceles. It is isosceles. Coming to the 5th case. So the C value is, it is above the range. Yes, students, C value is above the range. So it is not a triangle. So like this, some of the examples they have taken. Not a triangle. See, if, yes, students, one thing you observe here, if the range is, if the maximum range is below 200, then it is giving the proper output. If it is equal to or more than 200, then it is saying that it is not a triangle. In the PPT or just now, in the here also, here I had written no. A should be 1 to 200. 200 means less than 200. Less than 200, not less than or equal to, less than 200. So 199 is a range. Range within the limit. If you take 200, then it is out of limit. See, 100, 100 isosceles, 100, 200, 100, not a triangle. 1 199, 100, 100 isosceles. So 200, 100, 100. So the some boundary value. See, these are all the boundary value they have given for the test case of problem, triangle problem. For triangle problem, these are all the boundary values they have given. Here, students, see here. See here. Observe the table. Observe the table, students. ABC 3 sides. A, B, C, 1, 1, 1. Equilateral. See here. Coming to the second question. 1, 1, 2. It is within the range only, no? 1, 1, 2. But the expected output is not a triangle. Why? Any idea? Any idea, students, why it is not a triangle? Respond fast. According to our condition, it should be what? According to our condition, the second case should be what, students? Isosceles, no? Yes. It should be isosceles. But the expected output is not a triangle. Why? Any idea? Any idea, students? ಹೇಳಿ ಬೇಗ ಹೇಳಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಥವಾ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್
Ma'am, I think one side should be less than the other two sides.
One side should be less than the other two sides. One answer. And any other answer? Any other answer?
It should be greater than or equal to the third side.
Should be greater than or equal to third side. Any other answer? Yes, student, at least 2 students they are answering good. At least they are trying. What about others? Out of 42 students, only 2 are responding. What about the remaining students? Any other answer? Any other guesses?
Ma'am, if the length is, if the third side is 2 centimeter, then 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter of other two sides, then it will touch that lines, ma'am. It cannot be triangle.
Oda, is it so? Tell once again.
Ma'am, the third side is 2 centimeters, no, ma'am. And other two sides are 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter. With 1 centimeter, we cannot make a triangle. If we try to touch, then it will be 180-degree straight line only. 3 lines cannot touch.
What about this? Wait, not this, not this. What about this? Ila, 1 inch. Idu. 12th case. 12th case. 12th case.
The second side will be too large. It cannot touch other two sides, ma'am. It will be too long.
Correct. Any other? What about 9th case?
Same here, ma'am. The third side will be too long. It cannot touch that.
What about others? Yes, this table will discuss. So I want responses from your side. So still in next class, I'll ask each student. So each student should give the reason for not why it is not a triangle, because now some of the students, they have tried. At least you got some knowledge, some information why it is not a triangle. But next class we'll discuss. Okay. Next we have next day function. This is very simple. See the table, students. See the table. Next day means we are incrementing the day. We want to check for the next day. Month is 1. 1 means till, yes students, if you observe the test case table, till serial number 25, from 1 to 25, it is month value is 1. Means we are writing the test case for January month. 25 varku now January month ke barita idivi test case. And the day. See, when we are writing a test case for January month, then what will come to our mind? The day value is 31. Correct? Is it right? Yes, students, in next day problem, the month value in the test case table is 1. If the month value is 1 means what we'll understand, it is January month. January month and the days ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 31. Yes, 31. If the day is 33, then the condition will become false. This condition will become false. ಯಾವ condition? No, wait, I'll write here. Day is less than 31. Yes, is it right? This condition will become false. Then what will be incremented? Month will be incremented, and day tomorrow day value will be initialized to 1. Do you remember, students? Though the day value is 33, 34, 35, if it is 35 also, once this condition becomes false, the month value will be incremented, and day tomorrow value will be assigned to 1. This you know, no? This you remember, students? Idu ನೆನಪಿದೆಯಾ ನಿಮಗೆ? ನಾನು explain ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. So coming to here. So here month is 1, day is 1, year is 1812. If I increase next day, what will be the next date? 2, right? Yes, students, the month value is not changing. It is DD, YY format. Yes, students, this expected output is in the form of DD, YY. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? So here first month, first day, year is 1812. If you increment if you see the next day, then the day will be 2. Same for the second case. Here in the second case only the year is changing. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಆ 1813 year ಅಲ್ಲಿ month is January, day will be 2. So coming to the fifth case, month is 1, day is 1. Yes, students, month is 1, day is 1, year is 2012. So year is 2012. The expected output will be, month will be 1 only, day will be 2 because the next day value will be incremented, no? So day will be 2 and year will be 2012. Coming to 8th case, again the month will be 1, day is 2, means in the expected output day will become 3, the day value will be incremented and year will be same. Coming to 25th case. Yes, students, you're following? Artha aagta idya? You're following? So 21st case here. What is the month value? Month value ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇದೆ. But day value how much? Day value how much? 31. Day value is 31. What was the condition here, students? The day is less than 31. Day is less than, if this condition becomes false, then month will be incremented and day tomorrow value will be assigned to what? Respond 1. Yes, you all remember or not whatever I explained? Maithili?
Yes, ma'am.
So the month value will be incremented and day tomorrow value will be assigned to 1. So similarly here the month is incremented. Ishtatvargu enitu month 1 ittu. Ivaga now it has become 2 because this condition has becomes false. Is it right? And the day tomorrow value is assigned to 1. The meaning of this statement is it is next month first day. Next month first day. And the same case for this 22nd case also, but here the year is changing, 1830. For this also the same condition. Here the condition becomes false and month value will be incremented and tomorrow day will be initialized to 1. Tomorrow value will be initialized to 1. And coming to 26th case. So 26th case, month value is 2. Month value is 2 means what? This is the test case for February month. February month, day value is 1 and year is 1812. So February month, day tomorrow value will be 2 and 1812 is a year. So this is some of the sample test cases for next day function. Sample test cases for next day function. Yes, students. Yes, month value is 2, day value is 3, and year is 1812. So month is 2 and day is 2. So day value eshtiದೆ ivaga? Day value is 2. So day is 2. So if we are talking about February month, so I take here only 28 days. I don't take a special case. Students here. I am taking only 28 days. My day value is how much? 2. Is this condition is true? Is this condition is true? Yes, if this condition is true, then tomorrow day value will be incremented. Tomorrow day value will become 3. Tomorrow day value will become 3. The same thing is here. Tomorrow day value will be 3. And coming to case 30. Case 30. So what is the day value here? 30. Do I have 30th day in the month February? No. So it is invalid date. 31 invalid date. Again coming to 6 andre ಯಾವ month ಬರುತ್ತೆ? June alva? Yes, June. 1 is the date value and year, this is the year. If we increment, if this condition is true, the day tomorrow value will be incremented. Day tomorrow value will become 2. Yes. Coming to 70 71 case, 71 case for June month. For June month, in June month, how many days we have? In June month, how many days we have? 30 days we have. If I give 31, 30 students here, whatever the test cases we write, it is depending on the individual person. If you see here that 31 day means the month will be incremented. Correct? Is it right? And the day will be initialized to 1. And yes, here first we will see the 66th case. Yes, students, in 66th case, for 30 months, what we have written the case value for when we took 30 months. Day is less than. Do you nenpidya nimgella when we are seeing the cases for 31 days month and 30 days month. So when this condition becomes false, then month will be incremented and day tomorrow value will be initialized to 1. So similarly here the condition becomes false. In 66th case, the condition becomes false. Then the day tomorrow month value will be incremented. Now the month will become July and day tomorrow value will become 1. The meaning of this is July month first day. July month first day. And here in the same month June, if it is here the input is 31 days. So 31st day. So that's why here invalid date, because only till 30 days we have written the code. If we are taking 31 day, then it will become a invalid. So like this, so many test cases are there for leap year, for year. Yes, I have already given the book. No, students, you can go through the different test cases. Yes, understood? So next we have commission problem. Students, commission problem we'll see in the next class. Commission problem we'll see in the next class. Yes, students, all of you understood? Any doubt? Any doubt? Please call. No, ma'am. Very simple. Okay. Yes, student, today's assessment link I am sending in the chat box. I am sending in the chat box assessment link. Five minutes I'll give. In 5 minutes you finish your assessment, students. Answer attendance, Asta. Asta. Abhinav. Aishwarya.
Present, ma'am.
Amrish.
Yes, ma'am.
Anu.
Present, ma'am.
Arbas.
Yes, ma'am.
Arjun.
Present, ma'am.
Ashok.
Present, ma'am.
Benita,
Present, ma'am.
Bhargavi, Bhavisha,
Present, ma'am.
Chaitra,
Present, ma'am.
Dev, Diksha,
Present, ma'am.
Deepika L,
Present, ma'am.
Deepika M,
Present, ma'am.
Murli,
Present, ma'am.
Gangubai.
Present, ma'am.
Gangubai, why you didn't attend yesterday proctor meeting?
Ma'am, message late ಆಗಿ ನೋಡ್ದೆ ma'am.
ಯಾಕೆ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡ್ದ್ಯಾ? ಅಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಎವ್ರಿ ಫ್ರೈಡೆ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್
ನಾನು
and because of that, I know you people will tell this reason. That's why when you were attending classes that time I have sent a message. Mobile ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ವಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ
ದೀಪಿಕಾ ಎಂ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಗುಡಿಯಾ ಗುಡಿಯಾ ಹರ್ಷಿತ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್?
ಆಚೆ ಇದ್ದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಆಚೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ, ಒಂದು 5 ನಿಮಿಷ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ವಾ, ಒಂದು 5 minutes. ಕಾವ್ಯ,
Present, ma'am.
ಕಿಶೋರ್ ಲತಾ
Yes, sir.
Lata, why you didn't attend yesterday's meeting, proctor meeting, and last meeting also you didn't attend? Continuously 2 meetings you didn't attend, Lata. What is the reason?
ಫೋನಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Last meeting ಅಲ್ಲಿ phone ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಷಾರಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
5 minutes ಮಾತಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಮ್ಮ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಮನೇಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು? ಮನೀಷಾ, ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್,
Yes, ma'am.
ನಯನ,
Present, ma'am.
ನೀಲಾಂಜನ್, ನಿಶಾಂತ್, ಪವಿತ್ರ,
Present, ma'am.
ಮೈಥಿಲಿ,
Present, ma'am.
ಪ್ರಿಯಾಂಕಾ,
Present, ma'am.
ಪವನ್,
Present, ma'am.
ಆಕಾಶ್,
Present, ma'am.
Akash, why you didn't attend proctor meeting yesterday?
I was out, ma'am, yesterday.
So can't you attend 5? Though you are out also, 5 minutes can't you attend? Rajeshwari,
Ma'am, every time you know that, right, ma'am?
Rajeshwari,
Present, ma'am.
Rakesh, Ramya,
Present, ma'am.
Rashmi,
Present, ma'am.
ರಮ್ಯಾ,
Ma'am,
ನಾನು
present.
ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇದೆಯಾ ನೀನು?
No, ma'am.
ಯಾಕೆ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆದ್ಯಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
ರಶ್ಮಿ,
Present, ma'am.
ರವಿಶಂಕರ್,
Yes, ma'am.
Rizwan. Yes, Ravishankar, you joined only for the sake of attendance?
No, ma'am.
Then when I was discussing the assessment, that time you were not there. तुम नहीं थे ना मैं जब असेसमेंट डिस्कस कर रही थी?
That time I'm disconnected, ma'am. Network issue, ma'am.
That reason you all will tell. Rizwan absent. Vishal, he was there, no? Vishal. Savita,
Yes, ma'am.
Shruti,
Present, ma'am.
Sneha, Spurti,
Present, ma'am.
Srinidhi,
Present, ma'am.
Srinivas,
Present, ma'am.
Sunil,
Present, ma'am.
Vaishnavi,
Present, ma'am.
Vinny.
Present, ma'am.
Vinny, you joined late.
Ma'am, I went to take my breakfast.
Okay, students, any doubts? All of you attended the assessment? only 34 responses I got. So another 2 minutes time I'll give. So you in 2 minutes you finish the assessment, students. Yes, students, in here, if you see, in first module we have seen some the basic concepts of testing, and from second module we are seeing the problems. So in the second module, what problem we have seen, the same thing is we are learning in the third module also, student. Yes, still if you have any doubt in problem statement, triangle problem, next day problem, commission problem, currency converter, if you have any doubt you can ask students. And in test, I gave one question. I gave very simple ATM steps. That is very simple question. Still, I have not checked many answer script, but I have checked few scripts. So out of those few scripts, many I have written not well that answer. That was an easy question which I gave. Just 15 steps you need to answer. Okay, Monday I'll tell you. I'll tell your marks, how many marks you have got. Okay, no doubt, no students. Shall I stop? Or you want to ask anything? Any questions? Okay, students. See you in the next class.
Ma'am, Rizwan present.